Jump in my hoopty hoop, baby. Ain't got a lot of money, but I think we gon' make it. You know that when I count down from 3, we can make believe that we'll be standing tall in the Hollywood trees, singing. Ooh, 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 we got this love thing going on. Ooh, yeah, singing. This love thing going on. 3, 2, 1. Count down from 3. It's just you and me. See us on the beach or even flying on the seas. No limit to where we can go. Hold tight like a rodeo. Run the world like a merry-go. We won't stop until you say so. If you can just dream it, our love will bring it to life. Jump in my hoopty, baby. Ain't got a lot of money, but I think we can make it. You know that when I count down from 3, we can make believe that we'll be standing tall in the Hollywood trees, singing. Ooh, 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 we got this love thing going on.
New dance called Hoopty Hoop. It is a 32 count 4-wall high improver level line dance with no tags, no restarts. The dance travels clockwise around the room. I'm going to turn around. We're going to do each 8 count with words and counts. Do the whole wall, then do all 4 walls, and then there'll be a demo at the end for you to dance with me. Facing 12 o'clock, weight starts on left foot. You're going to step right foot to right side, touch left next to right, point left toe to left side. Quarter sailor, step over your left shoulder, going back, out, forward. This step is a prep step to turn back the direction that we just came from. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're facing 3 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side, facing 6 o'clock. Now we're going to weave right behind left, behind side, cross. Let's do section 1 with counts. Weights on left. It's and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2. We're facing 6 o'clock. Your right is crossed over your left. Rock left foot to left side. Recover onto that right foot. We're going to weave our left foot behind our right, behind side, cross. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto that left foot, step your right foot next to your left, point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot next to your right, point your right toe to the right side. Section 2 with counts. We ended crossed over, facing 6 o'clock with our right over our left side rock. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, we're gonna step that right foot next to our left. You're gonna walk forward, left and right. Do an anchor step, locking that left foot behind our right. Recover onto that right, step left foot back. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping right foot to the side. Touch left next to right. Rock left to left side. Recover onto that right, cross left over right. Section 3 with counts. Facing 6 o'clock, weights on left foot. Right toe is pointed to right side. Step onto that right foot. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. Step left behind right. Make a quarter shuffle over your right shoulder, shuffling right together, right. You're back at 12 o'clock. Step your left foot to the left side. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, facing 3 o'clock. Then you're going to weave left behind right, behind side, cross. Section 4 with counts. For cross over, stepping to the side, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of dance. Let's do first front wall all together with words, then counts. Then we will go around the room. Stepping right foot to the side, it's side touch point. Quarter sailor prep. Half, quarter weave behind side cross. Side rock, recover, weave. Side rock, recover, ball point, ball walk. Walk, anchor, step, quarter touch, side rock, cross. Side, behind, quarter shuffle, side, quarter weave, behind, side, cross. Let's try that whole wall with counts, and then we'll go all the way around without stopping. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go all the way around without stopping, starting at the front wall. Front and back wall I will do with words. Side walls I will do with counts. Weight starting on that left foot. Stepping to the right, it's side touch point. Quarter sailor prep. Half, quarter weave behind side cross. Side rock. Recover, weave behind side cross. Side rock, recover. Ball point, ball walk. Walk, anchor, step. Quarter touch, side rock, cross. Side, behind, quarter shuffle. Side, quarter weave behind side cross. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side touch point, quarter sailor prep, half, quarter weave behind side cross. Side rock, recover, behind side cross. Side rock, recover, ball point, ball walk. Walk, anchor, step, quarter touch, side rock, cross. Side, behind, quarter shuffle. Side, quarter weave behind side cross. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That is the whole dance, going all the way around. Now you can join me in a demo. During this demo,